Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog, and today I was just checking on my stuff and I did so much videos, guys, so right now we're just gonna see. Oh, it's raining. I never knew it was raining. I thought I was about to go outside, but it's raining. Wow. So yeah, guys, it's raining right now. I didn't even notice my chocolates are getting wet. So look, this is what I'm gonna tell you right now. When I get my 25 wolves and 25 action figures of dogs, the ones that I have just like wolves, so I'm gonna get a lot of those, and I'm gonna be doing it in movies because I did this for my Christmas present. And my mom said she's gonna buy it maybe in Sunday. I don't know when, but she said it's this Sunday we're gonna get stuff so we can light up the house, if for example Christmas lights around here and there, on top of the tree, on top of here. So it's gonna be here. It's heavy. Really heavy. Feels like it's the bottle. It feels like a bottle. I'm gonna see what it is because it looks really. Yeah, it's from my mom. Okay, I'm gonna see what it is, because I don't know what she got. And what I know, that she keeps ordering stuff that I don't know. She always goes online. And yeah, it's not like Christmas. She said she still hasn't bought it yet. Promise me. Smell it. What is this? I think it's for me to put my hair straight. I don't know. I'll just put it back in there. Well, at least I opened this for her, right? Yeah, it's right there. So, yeah, guys. My mom just got a freaking package. I wish she already bought me the 25 wolves and stuff because I love wolves. Have you ever noticed? That's why my videos are called Wolves YouTuber Luna. Yeah. And that's why I love my YouTube channel. And there's my cat in here. Of course he is. You don't want to come in? It's raining. It's just really loose. Come on. Come on, kitty. Kitty. Yeah, right. Yelling. Go on. There we go. Okay. Cat. That's weird. Guys, it's really cold now. And it's almost Christmas. And yeah, it's really a wonderful, who the heck is that? Exactly, he just left. So, I was just barely playing with my friends, and then they just left. So, now you want to come in? Or is it just my head? Yeah, you want to come in. My new cookie. Come on. My favorite cat. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, cute. And this is the backpack that I use for school. I know it's little. It's really little, but I might get a bigger one day. taking? Nothing, but it feels healthy. Like this was my favorite chair and it broke. Look. But, guys. Yeah, it's really weird. So, we're gonna get chunk glass and go outside and see the weather. It's really wet. So, my raptor's still there. So, this we're gonna still be using in episodes. I did this because my rabbit was in there and puppies was in there. I was like, so yeah, we might still use it, and if we move, we had to redo this because we're gonna have a dog, maybe chickens. My dad built this because of the chickens, dogs, like, so the dogs have babies in here and the chickens too. So the chickens are been gone in a long time because, you know why? Teresa been eating the chicken since, like, basically a long time ago, and now the chickens are dead. What the heck was that? I just talked to snake. It's just not a snake. I'm just kidding, guys. There's no snake here, but my dog Teresa used to dig this up. Teresa was a pretty beautiful dog. Really, really beautiful. Na 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 na. Wee. Oh, guys, it's just me. Look. See. So yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. So as you can see, I might do more videos, maybe. That's because I'm always tired. So yeah. Bye guys, see you later.